Hi, my name is Sanat Biswal, also known as the Accountant Guy, and in this video we are going to understand how you can utilize this credit card expenses tracker to keep track of all your credit card payments. So first of all, we have got a credit cards overview section which shows all the different credit cards that we have added. Here in this demonstration I have added 4 different credit cards: the student credit card, cashback credit card, travel credit card and rewards credit card. For each of the credit card you can see the total amount that is due, the amount has been repaid so far, and the balance amount which is due. Then we have got a monthly overview which shows how much of amount is due and how much amount is repaid, as well as the balance amount that is due for each of the month. This can be added and customized as per your own requirement. Then we have an yearly overview which shows the total amount due, the amount repaid and the balance amount due as per different years that we keep on progressing. Underneath this we have got an expense details section which shows all the expenses that has been added so far in detail, which we will be discussing in a while. Then we have got an expenses overview which gives an overview of all the expenses that we have booked so far into different categories with the total expenses that has been added, the budgeted amount, how much of expense is in comparison to the budgeted amount, and whether the budget is in under budget or over budget status. Then we have got a notification section which shows when is the next repayment supposed to be made and how many days are available until the next repayment date for each of the credit card that we have added. So now let's get into using this tracker and understand how you can utilize this tracker to get to know all of this information. Let's get started. In order to start using this tracker, we need to start booking the expenses under the expense details overview section over here. So under the expense details section, you will find the date, then the expense details for which you are entering the expense, then the period for which you are going to book the expense, the year, the credit card related to which you have created the expense, and then you can assign the category for each of the expenses. After this, you can enter the expense amount in the expense column, and when you are repaying the amount for the particular credit card, you can enter it under the repayment section. So as you can see over here, we have got an opening balance due. So for any balances that are being carried forward from the previous month, you can put it over here as an opening balance, and then you can enter the amount in the expenses section. So as you click on this, you can start assigning the date. Then you can enter the details of whatever expense you're booking. Like here we have got the opening balance. Then you can put in the period. So you can select your designated period over here. Then you can put the year of the specific expense. After this, you can click over here and you can start finding the credit card. You can add your own credit card as you're entering. So once you type something, it will help to create a new credit card with the new creation over here. But I have got few credit cards already added over here, so you can select from here. And then you can click on this and you can assign the category, and after this you can enter the expense. So you can see that we have entered the expenses for few of the categories and we have assigned the expense amount as well as the category. And once you're repaying any of the credit card payments, just simply type in credit card repayment and then put in all the information and put the repayment amount in the repayment column. So while doing all of this, everything will be updated as and when you are entering all the details on the top above. So you can see that we have entered all the expenses related to cashback credit card and it has got updated over here, as well as we have one information regarding to rewards credit card which has been updated over here as well. So now we'll understand how you will be able to see the expenses overview and the notifications which will help you to pay your credit card debts on time. Let's proceed further. Once we have booked the expenses under the expense details section as we discussed, it is now time to see how much we have incurred expenses for each of the categories. You can jump into the expenses overview section and this will show you each of the expense categories that you have already added in the expense details as we discussed in the category section. So this shows you how much of expenses you have incurred till date under the expense amount and what was the budgeted amount that you had set for each of this expense. In order to set the budget amount, you can simply click on this budget amount and you can enter in any of the budgeted amount of your requirement. So this will quickly update the budgeted amount as well as all the expenses details will be updated in relation to this budgeted amount. So once I enter the budgeted amount, let's say I'm entering over here $5,000. So this shows that we have incurred an expense of $5,300 in comparison to the $5,000 and we have exceeded the budgeted amount that we had set, and thus it is reflecting over budget. So any expenses that you make within the budget will have under budget, and any expenses you make beyond the budget will show over budget. After this, you can see the notification section which shows you like when is the next repayment due. Now you can set your own repayment date over here by clicking on this and putting any date of your choice. So for each of the credit card, as and when you are progressing, you can set the repayment date and this will show you how many days are pending until the next repayment comes. So as you can see over here, I have set some repayment dates and it is showing how many days are left for me to make the next repayment. So this is how you will be always be able to track all your credit card payments and see when are the next repayment dates due, and thus you will able to pay your credit card debts on time. So I hope this explanation was clear to you. One thing to tell you over here is that you can obviously edit all your credit card information over here by clicking on this pencil icon, or you can click on this new button over here to start adding your own credit card as well as the different categories. You can add your categories from here as well by entering the category details over here. Let's look into more details. One thing to note over here while adding the expense into the expense details section is the receipt column. So any expenses you make, you can click on this receipt column and you can add your bills or your receipts for the expenses that you have made. After this, you can also have another summarization view for the period that you enter. If you click on this and you select the particular period, it opens up a new window which again shows you more information like when are the transactions being done on a specific date, the period of the transaction, the detail of the transaction, and the amount of each of the transaction. And then we have a tag associated to each. So if there is any repayment, it will show in green. If there is an expense which is being made, so it will show as an expense. So this you can see for all the months that you have added over here for any particular date. And if you click on the year, this will also show you the similar information that we just discussed, but for the particular year that you have entered. And likewise, you can go to the credit card as well. So any credit cards that you add, if you click on the particular credit card, it will show all the transactions related to the credit card and you can see all the details of whatever has been done. It also shows an status of each of the credit cards. So once you click on this, you can change the status. And also I have added a category to this, so you can add your own category for the particular credit card. You can click on this three dot to edit the particular category, or you can add your own category to the existing categories. After this, if you head over to the category section, you click on any of these categories. It will also help you to add the details and see like when the expenses have been done, and for each of these expenses to the particular category, you can see all the relevant details. So this is how you can quickly have a glance of all the added information from here as well as from the information from the top. I hope this explanation was pretty clear to you, and if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com. I'll be happy to assist you on this. This template can be customized to your personal need as and when you require. So let me know if you need any help in that regard. Thank you.